Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another episode of HotDiecast Garage. In this video, we are opening up a bunch of really cool 50th anniversary Matchbox Superfast cars. I recently opened up 164 Matchbox cars, so if you haven't seen that video already, make sure to check it out, but this one is all about the Superfast cars with the opening parts. Now this is a really interesting series. It debuted in 2019, of course, to celebrate the 50th anniversary of the Matchbox Superfast collection, and they intended to have 12 models, but as far as I'm aware, they only ended up releasing 11 of them. So number 7 out of 12 in this series was supposed to be a Dodge Challenger that was cancelled and moved to the 2020 Superfast series rather than this 50th anniversary set. Of course, that leaves us with 11 models here that have opening hoods, doors, and trunks that make these details really pop on these miniature models. I'm excited to open these up and add them to the collection, so let's take a closer look at these 11 Matchbox Superfast cars for the 50th anniversary series. Starting off here with a classic, the first one in the Matchbox Superfast series is a burgundy red 62 Mercedes-Benz 220 SE with opening doors on both the left and right side of the car. Moving on to the second car in the 50th anniversary set, it's one of my personal favorites, the blue 2016 BMW i8 with the gorgeous butterfly doors. You cannot go wrong with the third vehicle in this collection. It is the 59 Volkswagen 23 MICROBUS in a candy red and white color with two opening doors on the right side of the vehicle. Number 4 in the Superfast collection is the 2018 Range Rover LWB, which stands for long wheelbase because this thing is super big and has a giant trunk that opens up in the back. Another great car in this series is number 5. This is the yellow 2004 Honda S2000 with an opening hood so you can take a look at that inline 4-cylinder engine. Car number 6 in the series is looking sharp. This is the Arctic White 2016 Corvette Stingray with black racing stripes and an opening hood that reveals that V8 engine. Skipping along now to number 8 out of 12 in the 50th anniversary series, this is an oldie goldie. It's the 32 Ford pickup, which features opening doors on both sides of the truck. Here we have an absolute German classic. Number 9 is the 1980 Porsche 911 Turbo in blue with a beige interior and opening doors on both sides of this car. Let's take a look at number 10 out of 12. This one has a matte white paint job. It's the 65 Volkswagen Type 3 Fastback, which features opening doors on both sides of the vehicle.
We're on to number 11 in the Superfast series. This is the 2017 Chevy Camaro in Krypton Green that features a satin black hood that you can open and close.
Rounding out the 50th anniversary Superfast collection is the Matchbox Blue Shark, number 12 in this series, and an absolute Superfast car to finish off this series. Check it out, guys. Those are all 11 50th anniversary Superfast Matchbox cars with opening hoods, doors, and trunks. They're a lot of fun to collect and look great out of the box. However, this is not the end of the Matchbox Superfast line. They continued making Superfast cars into 2020 with additional models and then pivoted in 2021 toward the Matchbox Collectors series. The only thing that really matters is that Matchbox has been putting out really high quality cars with great details and really fun features that make these a blast to add to your collection. If you would like to see more unboxing videos of both Matchbox and Hot Wheels cars, be sure to subscribe here at HotDiecast Garage, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Thanks for watching.